Today I'm turning this basic doormat into something beautiful for some double doors. I've always loved a large welcome mat, but the price tags, not so much. So I made my own. First up, the beautification. I used a simple round sponge that I got at Dollar Tree, and I cut it in half to create the shape I needed for the scallop pattern. I'm using acrylic paint in a pretty blue. I just gave it a good shake before I got started. And let me tell you that a little goes a long way, and sometimes you learn that the hard way. Oops. If you're new here, I'm Bree, and I share simple, doable DIYs that help you create a home you love. I'll make sure to link the supplies I used in the description if you'd like to try this project for yourself. Once the sponge was coated evenly, I started stamping along the edge of the mat to form the scallops. I added the scallops to 3 sides of the mat, and I left one edge plain. This is because that's going to be the middle of my larger mat. Then I used a small brush to fill in any lighter areas and sharpen up the edges on some of these scallops. You know, that stamp isn't exactly perfect. I repeated that process with the other mat. I didn't show it to you here because I think you get the picture. Once the paint was dry on both of those mats, I took them outside and I sealed them using Flex Seal, which is a clear outdoor rubberized spray. And the purpose of that is to help protect the mat from water and footprints. Then, to get the oversized look that I was after, I joined the 2 mats together by flipping them over and applying heavy-duty Gorilla Tape to the back. And here's how this turned out. It's a custom high-impact doormat for a fraction of the cost. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this project, I'd love it if you'd subscribe or leave a comment.